right, Scott, now this is the toilet unit. It looks like many toilets, but it's a little different. A normal toilet is called a siphon jet, which means that water works its way up through a trapway and turns 180 and goes down this way and discharges out through the floor. Look at this. This unit is like a P-trap, and the discharge goes out through the back about 6 or 8 inches off the floor.
I noticed that.
Right. Well, the reason for that is because of this unit right here. Just pass me that macerator unit. Now, this is going to sit right here behind the toilet. Here's the discharge from the toilet. We're going to connect right here. We're also going to connect the drain from the lavatory sink into this reservoir. And if you had wanted a shower down here, the shower could have come in right over here. So now when water or waste comes into this reservoir, inside there's a macerator, a pump really, that grinds up any solids, and a little sensor that says when to come on. When it does, it starts pushing the waste out through a little small pipe. Look at that.
That seems very small.
Right, that's only 3/4 of an inch, where a normal drain for a toilet would be 3 inches and go down through the floor. It's going to push out through the top right here, continue up the wall. You can see you've run it beautifully here. And now we could go as high as 16 feet up, as far as 150 feet away, and tie back into the house drainage system.
How do we get started?
It starts by making some PVC connections. All right, we're going to prime and cement this one connection inside the wall. I want to do both this side and that side. Let's see. Here we go. Now give it a 3 count. And now we connect our discharge. To make the connection for our drain from the lavatory, there's a stainless steel breeze clamp. We just have to tighten that up. And now on the discharge, there's an adapter provided by the manufacturer. Let me just spin that into place. Like so, and it's a similar connection. Now any plumbing fixture has to be vented, so the vent for this reservoir is right here, and it's going to tie into the vent stack. All right, Scott, why don't you grab that toilet, would you?
Sure.
Now, a traditional toilet would bolt down to a closet flange and connect to the pipe, and that means it would never rock. Well, we don't have a pipe, and we don't have a flange. So I want to be sure this toilet doesn't move. So the manufacturer provides brass lag screws that we want to get down into this subfloor. So we have to put it into place exactly where we want it. Then we need to mark it, pre-drill it, and secure it. To make the connection between the toilet and the macerator, just hold that clamp right there, Scott. We're going to make this porcelain outlet connect with a rubber accordion-style gasket. There we go. Now push it back, pull it on. And finally, we snug it up with another stainless steel clamp. Perfect. Now you can just make up that water supply line. All right, Scott, the water back on?
Water's back on. The tank should be full.
All right, not that I don't trust you, but let me just check. Okay, great.